So today we are going to make this kind of design with a wireframe modifier. So it's very easy to do. So if you want to make same kind of model, just press Shift A, then go to Mesh, then hit on the UV sphere. So the upper part I'm not needed. You can select the upper part and delete. So according to that wireframe gap, we'll get the design. So I need it little bit more dense. So you can give some subdivision on that and press Ctrl 2 to give 2 subdivision, then apply it. After that, go to the add modifier, then generate. I'm going to give this wireframe modifier from here. Yeah, I got it. So you can play with the thickness to increase or decrease the thickness of it. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.